Galaxy Throne, a fully on-chain sci-fi strategy game inspired from games like Tribal Wars. In these games, there was always a strong sense of ownership of the assets owned in the game. But ownership never actually existed. Only temporary allowances and tightly controlled structures that forbade you to do as you wished. We wanted to create a sci-fi strategy building game where your own planets and ships are actually yours, not just existing on a centralized back-end and dictated by one company. So every asset in our game has been created using ERC-721 for planets and ships, and ERC-1155 for buildings, research, technologies, while the resources of the game itself are ERC-20 tokens. We are utilizing Chainlink's verifiable random function to randomize planets and the assignment of the home planet, as well as for dynamic fights. Additionally, we are deploying Chainlink keepers to automate on-chain transactions for a better user experience. The main focus is building a sandbox that gives people ample freedom to play the game in as many ways as they wish to. The decentralized aspect ensures that the community has the final say into the game's features, with a democratic governance DAO as the backbone of the future development path. New players begin with minting their home planet, starting out with invulnerability from other players for a period of time. During this period, they have the chance to build their manufacturing buildings, craft their defense buildings, and create their spaceships. These preparations will be vital to defend their planet in the future, or trying out their luck in the galaxy and conquering other planets. The resources buildings, such as Aetherius Miner, Crystal Miner, and Metal Miner, gives the user a boost to the resources that are claimable every 24 hours. These resources, Aetherius, Crystal, and Metal, are the base material of which every building and ship is being built off. The claim and resource mining system will be entirely on-chain. In order to avoid gas fees and frequent transactions, we will use automated chain bots triggering those transactions instead of the player, for a gasless and seamless user experience. In the future, we are thinking of even enabling an MEV solution that rewards helpful players. Planets can be conquered by defeating all of the enemy's spaceships and defense buildings, giving you the planet NFT and defeating their fleet. Ships are not immortal NFTs. Uninhabited planets can be terraformed via the Terraformer Capital ship, so expansion won't be strictly aggressive in nature. Spaceships, ERC-721 NFTs, will come in several categories and types, and all ships will fulfill their own specialized roles in combat. Ships will be customizable with modules that affect their stats and abilities, along with an experience stat that rises over the course of battles. All those modules and stats will be tracked on-chain. The next steps of our project are: add user interface for ship customization, expand attack types and building types, add research and technologies to develop to craft even more types of buildings and ships, add PvE events, bosses, galactic pirates, etc., add quests, add more boni, malice between ship types, add races, possibly using even some of the existing NFTs collection, for example mutant apes, and make their buildings and fleet graphic according to the NFT collection style. Make the flights interactive, Clash of Clans style. Make the game 3D. Build a card game based on the game NFTs. Add crew members to ships. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Galaxy Throne.